Welcome to my channel. Have you ever made a decision that changed your life? Or have you ever spent hours thinking about a choice and still felt confused? What if the quality of your life depends on the quality of your decisions? Stay with me until the end, because today we will learn the powerful skill of decision making and how it can shape your future. Chapter 1. What is decision making and why is it important? Decision making is one of the most important skills in life because every day we choose between different options, whether it is studying or wasting time, saving money or spending it, learning a new skill or postponing it. These choices may seem small, but they gradually shape our habits, character, and future. Every successful person understands that life is the result of thousands of decisions made over time, and learning to make wise choices can lead to personal growth, confidence, and success. Many people do not realize how powerful their decisions are because the results are not always immediate. But every choice moves us in a certain direction. A student who chooses to study daily gains knowledge and opportunities, while a student who avoids learning may face difficulties later. This is why decision making is not just about choosing between options, it is about choosing the future we want to create. Understanding this principle is the first step toward building a better and more successful life. Chapter 2. How to make smart decisions. Making smart decisions requires patience, careful thinking, and the ability to look beyond the present moment. Instead of acting on emotions alone, successful people pause, gather information, consider different possibilities, and think about the long term effects of their choices. Whether it is learning English, choosing a career, or developing a new habit, thoughtful decision making helps us avoid unnecessary problems and move closer to our goals. A smart decision does not always guarantee immediate success, but it increases the chances of a positive outcome. For example, choosing to practice English every day may seem difficult at first, but over time it leads to fluency and confidence. On the other hand, choosing comfort and procrastination may feel good now but can create challenges later. Good decision makers understand that short term sacrifices often lead to long term rewards, and they train themselves to focus on the bigger picture instead of temporary feelings. Chapter 3. Common Decision Making Mistakes. Many people struggle with decision making because they allow fear, pressure, or emotions to control their choices. Some act too quickly without understanding the consequences, while others spend so much time worrying that they never make a decision at all. Both approaches can lead to missed opportunities and regret. Learning to recognize these mistakes is important because awareness helps us make better choices in the future. One common mistake is following others without thinking independently. Another is allowing fear of failure to stop us from taking action. For example, an English learner may avoid speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes, but that fear prevents growth and improvement. Every mistake contains a lesson, and every challenge offers an opportunity to learn something valuable. By understanding these common decision making errors, we can become more thoughtful, confident, and prepared to face life's challenges with courage and wisdom. Chapter 4. Building confidence in your decisions. Confidence in decision making does not come from always being right. It comes from trusting yourself and being willing to learn from every experience. People who make confident decisions understand that mistakes are part of growth and they focus on progress rather than perfection. They set goals, think carefully about their options, and take responsibility for the outcomes of their choices. The more decisions you make, the more experience you gain and the stronger your confidence becomes. Even when a decision does not produce the desired result, it still provides valuable lessons that can help you make better choices in the future. True confidence comes from knowing that you can handle challenges, adapt to change, and continue moving forward. By practicing thoughtful decision making every day, you develop the skills needed to create a successful and meaningful life, one choice at a time. Decision making is the process of choosing between different options. Every decision we make, big or small, affects our future and helps shape the life we live. Smart decisions come from thinking carefully, gathering information, and considering the possible results. Good choices today can create better opportunities tomorrow. Many people make mistakes by acting too quickly, following others blindly, or avoiding decisions altogether. Learning from these mistakes helps us make better choices in the future. Confidence grows when we trust ourselves, learn from experience, and take responsibility for our choices. Every good decision makes us stronger and wiser. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below.